Welcome Shem Stars. Welcome to the mathematics class. We will continue with our lesson 7 algebra. Today we will do exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Write each of the following in exponential form. Exponent means power. See students, if you have to write 2 3 times, suppose I have to write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That is 2 I have multiplied 3 times. So I can write it as 2 raised to power 3. This is known as power. This 3 is power. Or you can say exponent also. This 3 is power and this 2 is called base. This is the base and this is the power or the exponent. Suppose you have to write 3 4 times. Here I am writing 3 4 times. So here base will be 3 and power will be 4. Now the first question is A into A into A into B into B. Here A is the literal and power. You have to write it in exponential form. That is in the form of power. So here A power 3 or exponent of A is 3 and then B power 2. B is 2 times. So you will write B raised to 2. Here you need not have to put the multiply sign. It is understood if no sign is there, it means multiply sign is there. Now come to the second part. Second part is 9 into P into P into Q into Q into Q. Here first I will write 9. Here P is 2 times. So I will write P 2 times and Q is here 3 times. So I'll write Q 3 like this. Here power of P is 2 and power of Q is 3. So it is 9 P raised to power 2 Q raised to power 3. Now third question is 6. A is 3 times and B is 2 times. B into B and C is again 3 times. So here you will write it as 6, A raised to power 3, B raised to power 2 and C raised to power 3. Now I'll do one more part. I'll do 7th part now. Here 5 into A into A into A, it is 10 times and then B into B into B, it is 12 times. So I'll write it as 5 into A raised to power 10. Power is 10 or exponent you can say is 10 and then B power is 12. So answer is 5 A raised to power 10 B raised to power 12. Now come to 8th question. 8th question is 2 into X. You have here it is written 2 times. Then 3. Y it is written 3 times. Then 4. Then Z it is 5 times. It is 5 times. So how will I write? First of all, I'll write all the constants. That is 2 into 3 into 4. Then I'll write all the variables. That is literals. It is X. X is 2 times. So X I'll write power 2. Y it is 3 times. So I'll write Y power 3. Z it is 5 times. So I'll write Z power 5. Now I'll multiply this. 2 into 3 into 4 is 24. So my answer is 24 X raised to power 3 Y raised to power 24 X raised to power 2 Y raised to power 3 and Z raised to power 5. Now come to question number 2. Write each of the following in factor form. Here it is written in the exponential form and you have to write it in the factor form. This is the factor form and this is the exponential form. First question is A raised to power 2, B raised to power 3. So you will write it as A into B into B into B. Now I think you can do all the parts. Come to question number 3. Write in the exponential form. First question is 2 A raised to power 2 multiplied by A raised to power 3 multiplied by B into B. First of all, I'll write 2. My constant number is 2, base is 2. First I'll write this 2. Then I'll write the second literal a. Variable here it is a. It is base. I'll write this. See, here a is, first of all, it is having power 2 and then it is having power 3. So total powers of a is 5. If the bases are same, you can add up the powers. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So you will write here 5. Now you will write b. Here 2 b's are there. So you know 2b means b raised to power 2. Or you can do it like this also. If no power is there, you can put the power 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Now come to the second part. Second part is 5p into q into 3p square q into q square. Here first of all you will multiply the constant numbers, that is 5 multiplied by 3, it is 15. Then you will write p. Now you will find out the p's. Here 1 p is here and here 1 p is here. No power means 1 power. Here 2 powers. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Bases are same. You can add up the powers. Then you will write q. Now you will find out q. 1 q here, 1 q here and 2 q's here. So power will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 plus 2, that is 4. So my answer is 15 p cube q raised to 4. Now I'll do one more part. I'll do fifth part now. Fifth part is m raised to power 3 into n raised to power 3 into 2mn into 4n. Here first of all I'll multiply 4 and 2, which is 8. Then I'll write m. Then I'll find out the power of m. Here it is 3 and here the power of m is 1. So where bases are same, you can add up the powers. But it is for the multiply sign only. Bases are same, but there should be multiply sign in between. And in divide sign, I'll tell you later, you can subtract the power. In the divide sign, we subtract the power. It is not there in your course. It will come next year. So you just learn this only. M raised to power 3, here m raised to power 1. So total power will be 4. Then find out n. Here n raised to power 3, here 1 and here 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So my answer is 8 m raised to power 4 n raised to power 5. Now you will do all the parts of question number 3. Question number 4. The area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into altitude. The base of the triangle is 5x, whereas the altitude is 1 by 2 of the base. Find the area of the triangle. Here, base of triangle is given 5x and altitude of triangle is given half of the base. See, half of means multiply and base is 5x. So my altitude will become 1 by 2 into 5x. Now we have to find out the area of the triangle. Area of triangle is half into base into altitude. So my base is 5x and altitude is 1 by 2 into 5x. Now I will solve this. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, it will become 1 by 4. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 and 2 multiplied by 2 is 2. Now 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 and x into x is x square. So it is now 25 upon 4 x square. So my answer is, that is my area of triangle is 25 upon 4 x square. Now come to question number 5. Rohit has 12 PQ apples. If the cost of each apple is 3p square q, find the total cost of apples. Means cost of one apple is given and you have to find out cost of 12 PQ apples. See students, cost of one apple is given 3p square q and you have to find out cost of 12 PQ apples. Cost of one is given, you have to find out cost of many. It means you have to multiply. Means I will multiply 3p square q by 12pq. Now 12 threes are 36, p 2p are here, 1p is here, so total p will be 3. Power will be 3. Q, 2 q's are here, see power 1, no power is there, you can put power 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So cost of 12 PQ apples is 3 P cube Q square. Now you will complete exercise 7.2. That's all for today, Shem Stars. Thank you. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom.